Hello, beautiful people. So I'm back with another amazing recipe, and as you guys can see, I am chopping up some sweet potatoes. So that means that we are making candied sweet potatoes, aka candied yams. So if you want to know how I make them, please continue to watch. So I'm starting off by cutting my sweet potatoes into about, I would say, half-inch rounds. You don't want them to be too thin, and you want to cut them about the same size. So let's get started. We're gonna put our sliced sweet potatoes in a pot. I'm using a cast iron wok for this because I like that the sides, kind of go out, so it makes it very easy for me to turn them without breaking them up. But you can use any type of cast iron, stainless steel, or non-stick pot for this. And now I'm going to put in my first layer of brown sugar, granulated sugar, and cinnamon. And if you'd like to add nutmeg, you can add nutmeg at this time too. And I'm going to continue to layer the sweet potatoes, sugars, and cinnamon until my pot is full. And now I'm going to add in just a few tablespoons of water to get the sweet potatoes started. They don't need a lot of liquid because they will release their natural juices while they're cooking. And I'm going to add in pure vanilla extract and a little bit of vanilla bean paste. If you don't have the vanilla bean paste, don't worry about it. I was just being extra. And we're going to cover this and cook this on medium-low heat. And don't mix these up. Let them do their thing. And I'm just going to take the lid off now. This is about 10 to 15 minutes into the cooking process. I haven't touched it. I haven't mixed it or anything. And as you can see, all of those natural juices from the yams are combining with the sugars to create that syrup that we love for our candied yams. And I'm just going to use a spatula just to turn them over. You want to be really gentle with this because you don't want them to break up. And I only cook these for about 45 to 50 minutes, and you can adjust your cooking time as needed. And I want to just point out that you want to add your butter at the end. So after the yams are nice and candied, you want to add in your butter, and we're using salted butter, which is going to help balance out all of that sweetness. And you always want to make sure that your yams are fork tender because that's how you know that they're truly done. And you just want to take them out of the pot, put them in a beautiful serving dish, and I promise you this will be one of the first side dishes to go this Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you decide to make this dish, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And like always, I'm sending you peace, love, and joy from my kitchen to yours. See you in the next video.